Let him bring his people and make a few remarks.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the leader of our party and former governor of our state, the Senator NDC, the chairman of our party, Your Excellency, the former governor of our state, His Excellency Peter Obi, the National Convention of my party,
Has to come now. Yes, you're right.
distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
Let me see your face. Yes. I want to read that. Yeah. It's better to discreet.
It is with immense pleasure and a deep sense of fulfillment that I address you today on this historic occasion of the National Convention of our great party, the Nigeria Democratic Conference, NDC here in Abuja.
Like I will come in little, they want to see you.
It's better.
Okay.
Since we joined this party together with numerous stakeholders, millions of our supporters, and 1 million Nigerians, the NDC has continued to attract quality members and ignite enthusiastic conversations among citizens and observers, both at home and abroad. What began as a world movement is simply becoming a formidable platform for national renewal. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria stands at a critical crossroads. The world is undergoing a profound political shift, yet our nation has been caught unprepared, largely because of poor leadership. Instead of positioning Nigeria to seize emerging opportunities, bad government has left us bearing the brunt of global changes. We are witnessing a sharp decline in the quality of life. Insecurity has created widows and orphans across the land. Millions have been displaced from their homes. Investments are fleeing. Critical infrastructure is neglected. The education system is collapsing, and harsh economic policies have been imposed on citizens without meaningful safety nets or relief. Yet, Nigerian history teaches us that in our unfortunate moments, visionary alliances have provided the way forward. For example, in 1954, a historic partnership was formed between the Northern Elements Progressive Union, led by our mentor, Malam Amin Kano, and the National Council of Nigeria and Cameroon, NCLC, led by Nnamdi Azikiwe, to achieve national unity. Again, in 1960, against strict votes, the Nnamdi Azikiwe's National Council of Nigeria and the Cameroon, NCLC, formed a coalition with the Northern People's Congress, NDC, to birth our independence. In the Second Republic, the alliance between Shagari and Alex Ikweme under the National Party of Nigeria, NPN, helped restore civilian rule and national unity after years of military dictatorship. It is therefore with a great sense of unity and solidarity that as a loyal party member, I support the decision to vote the presidential ticket of the NDC so that it allows the region to complete its term in producing national leadership. This presents a true opportunity for true national leadership, which will work in evidence with the parties' agreement to ensure fairness and federal character in all ramifications. This party shall ensure to check the way things are done today by prioritizing leadership without ethnic division and religious favoritism. The leadership standard we shall set will therefore restore Nigeria's dignity and guarantee that our citizens and home and diaspora will be treated with respect and dignity. Lastly, we can only achieve that by continuing to mobilize to use our island to vote, and the NDC to belong to this noble cause. Please register now. Thank you. Lovely Nigerian Democratic Congress, lovely the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Uncle. I can let me invite him. I know.